Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change name of location in Life360. Renaming a saved location or place in the Life360 app is a straightforward process that enhances clarity and personalization for you and your circle members. So whether you're updating home to grandma's house or school to work, I'm going to walk you through the detailed steps. First, launch the Life360 app on your mobile device and it's going to take you to this window. Tap on the location icon at the bottom of the screen, which is here, and it's going to take you to this map. So within the location tab, go ahead and tap on the places icon. All right, these are items, these are places. So you can also access places from here, below here, or you can just tap on the places icon that takes you here. Now within from the list of saved places, if you have saved places, you find the saved places here. So from the list of saved places, tap on the one that you wish to rename. Okay, so I've added the places, right? So tap on the one, this is a place, Ventura Mall. I'm just going to tap on it and it's going to take me to the places editing page. So in the place details screen, which is here, go ahead and tap on this, the name of the space. In the communication bar we have the name of the space, and tap on the place name field, which is here, and enter the new name that you desire. So from here I could make this my mall. Now once you do that, go ahead and tap on save at the top right corner to apply the changes. Only the creator of a place can edit its details. All right, so ensure that the radii of your places do not overlap, and this can lead to inaccurate, notifications. And you can also manage arrival and departure notifications for each place by toggling the arrives or leaves options for specific circle members. In addition to renaming, you can adjust the place's radius or change its location by editing the place details. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.